Does your spider plant look like this? Brown tips, yellowing leaves, no new babies growing? Don't worry, you're not alone. Even though spider plants are known as unkillable, they can struggle if you miss a few key care steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix common spider plant problems and how to grow a full, lush, thriving plant step by step. Spider plants are low maintenance, but they're not no maintenance. Overwatering, poor light, and even tap water can silently stress your plant. The good news? Every issue has a simple solution, and I'm about to walk you through each one. Overwatering is the #1 cause of death for spider plants. Here's how to get it right. Check the soil only water when the top 1-2 inches are dry. Use room temperature water and pour it until it drains out the bottom. Never let it sit in water. Use a saucer but empty it after watering. When brownleaf, that's a classic sign of fluoride or chlorine sensitivity. Let tap water sit overnight or use filtered water. You'll start to see greener leaves within 2-3 weeks. Want your spider plant to grow those cute babies? Light is everything. Place your plant in bright, indirect sunlight. Windows with morning or filtered afternoon sun are perfect. Avoid harsh, direct sun. It burns the leaves. Avoid deep shade. It stops growth and fades color. No babies? It's probably a light issue. Shift it closer to the light and give it a few weeks. Spider plants need room to grow and the right soil to breathe. Use a light, well-draining mix-indoor potting mix with perlite or cocoa coir is ideal. Choose a pot with drainage holes. Always. Terracotta pots are great. They prevent soggy roots. Root-bound signs. Roots growing out of drainage holes. Slowed growth. Leaves drooping. Solution. Repot into a pot 1-2 inches wider every 1-2 years. Spider plants grow fast and do benefit from fertilizer, but lightly. Feed once a month during spring and summer using a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Don't fertilize in winter as it can harm the plant. Too much fertilizer can cause brown tips or yellowing leaves. These plants like the same temperature we do. Keep it between 65-75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18-24 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts, heaters, or vents. Dry air? Group plants together. Add a humidifier or a pebble tray. Mist lightly during winter to keep your plant looking fresh. Trim brown tips with clean scissors cut at an angle. Remove yellow or dead leaves from the base. Prune spiderettes. If the plant looks tired, it helps it refocus energy. This also helps prevent pests and improves air circulation. One of the best parts of spider plants? You can grow more for free. Look for spiderettes with visible roots. Snip them and place in water, or again plant directly into moist soil. Keep soil lightly damp for 2-3 weeks. Leave the baby attached to the mother while rooting it works faster. Let's quickly troubleshoot. Brown tips? Tap water chemicals. Overfeeding or dry air. Yellow leaves? Overwatering or poor drainage. Spiderettes not growing? Not enough light or energy. Pests like spider mites? Spray with neem oil and wipe leaves clean weekly. Solution. Good airflow, regular cleaning, and observing your plant weekly will keep it healthy. Spider plants love to hang. Place them in hanging baskets, on shelves, or on plant stands near windows. They look stunning in kitchens and bathrooms. They love the moisture. Rotate the pot weekly for even growth. Quick guide for care throughout the year. Spring, summer. Water regularly. Fertilize monthly. Propagate babies. Fall, winter. Water less often. Stop fertilizing. Keep warm and dust leaves every few weeks. Following a seasonal rhythm helps your plant stay balanced and stress-free. Spider plants are one of the easiest and most rewarding plants to grow. They bounce back fast, they clean your air, and they make your home feel alive. But like any plant, they need a little love, light, and attention. Follow these 10 steps, and you'll turn any struggling spider plant into a show-stopping beauty. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below.